Hello everyone, welcome. This is Dr. Cal. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, this is a channel focused on Web3 education and investment. And so I'm going to share my experience and also hopefully we can learn how to do those dApps together. So today we're going to learn a very interesting thing is staking of Astar. Astar is a parachain in the Polkadot ecosystem. They just have their token listed. So like from January 20th, I think they start to have the staking. So today I'm going to demo how you can do the staking, and let's learn that together. And so stake to earn festival, that's one I'm going to go over. First of all, you need to go to their portal. So I will post a link. So portal astar.network. And you need to connect to your JS wallet. So if you have trouble to connect to the Polkadot JS wallet, you can watch my previous video. I talk about how you can connect to the dApp with your JS wallet. So I already connect to that, and you can see that like I have a little bit extra. Those are the transferable like I can use. I also have a lot of locked. So those are the extra like I cannot use it. It is locked. However, with this staking, stake to learn festival, with that I can actually use that to do the staking. So they have the decentralized app staking. So if you click that, you can see a lot of stake to earn festival. Those are all the dApps. And the goal of that is basically there will be a lot of developers, and you as someone who has a lot of Astar, you can be the nominator. You will nominate the dApp, and you are going to share the reward with the developer. So that's kind of an ecosystem they want to build. And so you can see a lot of them. Basically, the total number of stakers you can have for each pool is 512. And so those are all full, so you cannot stake. You are going to find some which is not full. So for example, those. Um, I still didn't know how to find out which pool is the best. So I'm going to just try maybe split my token into different pool. Um, but anyway, this one they have a lot of extra staked, so it's kind of a big pool. This one is a smaller one, and this one is also big. And so I probably should try one big and one small, and then let's see later on the reward. And so there's a claim button as long as one of the staker or even the holder. So as long as one of the staker claim that, everyone will get the reward. So it's not like you have to claim. As long as there's one people, so there will be like 500 some and 12, right? And so one stake click, then claim, then you should be fine. So I'm going to stake that. The minimum is 500 because that's a threshold they set. I can just put let's just put once this one we just equally put that maybe put 2000 and I would just do the stake and then it will need me to sign. Okay, so I'm going to sign that. So if things go well, it should get processed, and we can come back a few days later and see the reward. And so I guess the reward rate should be high, although I'm not sure the exact rate. So that's why I just split it into two pool. Really not sure the rate and how they would do that. So looks like it would just take some time. But it should work. I think it should work. And so okay. So I already staked. So you can see that now it's increased. So I'm one of them, right? So I staked 2K, and this is the total number of stake. Let's support a smaller pool. So this is a smaller pool. They have less extra. So I'm going to stake. So I have So I have the rest of them, so I'm going to stake the rest. I'm going to stake the rest of them to this wall. So I'm going to have 2 pool, and hopefully this will help me to avoid those risks. So I'm trying to be safer even when I try to use the dApp. But of course, the worst scenario would be I'm going to lose those Astar. But you know, a lot of them they are knocked. So I feel this should be okay. So this is just a quick demo, and I'm going to share this link as well. They are going to go over like how step by step, like how you are going to do the staking, and also the description of the ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and if you don't want to miss my future video, please subscribe and leave a comment or like my video, so I will check your comments and improve in the future. Thanks for watching.